So welcome back to the Travels channel. Today we're going to be talking about one of the nicest national parks in Costa Rica near Liberia, how to get there, and I'm also going to show you what it's like. So first things first, it's a massive national park. There's like a volcano, there's loads of waterfalls. Right now we're on a 9-kilometer hike up to the main waterfalls in this area. It's about 2 hours there, 2 hours back supposedly, and the waterfalls are lovely. It's pretty steep, it's pretty tiring. Got to be fairly fit to do it. Obviously bring a lot of water, they recommend. I didn't do that, I've come here on a little bit of a whim. The park closes at 3 o'clock and basically it's now 20 past 11. So you have to get here quite early if you want to do the hike at a leisurely pace. I think I'm one of the last people to do it. Hopefully I don't get locked in. And the way to get here is if you're solo traveling or you don't have a car. I met a guy in my hostel and we got an Uber here, and the Uber was like 20,000 colons. No, 12,000 colons, but there's loads of tours you can do, loads of XYZ, ways to get here, and you have to pay $800, 800 colons on the way in, and to drive up the drive, and then another $17 to get into the national park. I wish I came earlier. Hopefully it's worth it. There's so much to do around here, but the main waterfalls are the yellow route ones. You come out of the main building and turn left, and it's look at the hike, a few birds up there. Parrot. Hello! Oh god! Thought it was going to get me. Seen quite a few older people doing it, so if you like hiking and you're fairly mobile, this would probably be alright for you, but it'll probably take a lot of time. I've seen a few big people doing it, don't let nothing stop you. We're almost here now, apparently. So I look forward to seeing the view, and I also can hear the waterfall down there, and this is like a nice little lookout spot as well. It really is quite nice. You don't need to jump, I'm rushing, you know how it is. And it's the same route there and back, I believe.